Want to turn your photos into anime in just one click? Check this out. Today I'm going to show you how to create an anime portrait from any image using Canva. Fast, easy, and completely free. Let's get started. First, open a project in Canva. Now let's head over to the Apps section on the left sidebar. In the search bar, type 3D Portrait and click on the app icon when it appears. This will open up the 3D Portrait tool, which we'll use to create our anime portrait. Next, upload any image from your device. This can be a selfie, a pet, or even a character sketch. Once your image is loaded, click on Generate 3D Image and wait for it to process. In just a few moments, your anime style transformation will be ready. Now that your anime portrait is ready, let's bring it to life. Drag it onto your Canva design and start customizing. You can adjust colors and filters, modify intensity and shadows, and add cool effects and backgrounds. Let your creativity run wild. And that's it. You now have a stunning anime portrait created effortlessly in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more awesome content, and drop a comment below, letting me know what you'll be using this tool for. Until next time, happy designing.